In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Rednote application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so we've got the Rednote app here. So to log in, simply click onto Rednote and then it'll come to this page and click on login here. Or you can choose other login methods if you like. So depending how you've logged in, I'm going to go ahead and click on other logins. I've logged in using my Google account, so I'm going to click on Google account, the G, or if you're logged in with your Facebook account, click on your Facebook. But if we click on the login button here, it's the same thing, or you can log in with your mobile number. Make sure you've got the code or area code. And yeah, so for this, I'm going to log in with my Google account. So I'm going to click the G, I'm going to click agreed and continue. And then I'm going to choose my account, tutorial is. And as it states, it's signing me in. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought back to the home page. And if we go ahead and click onto the profile, you can see I've successfully logged back into Rednote.